Okay, let's dive into this high-stakes story of tech, trade, and geopolitical tension.
Whoa, that's a pretty tense quote from NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang, right?
So what's got him so fired up? Well, it's a geopolitical mess with billions at stake.
Okay, so at the heart of this whole thing, the absolutely massive Chinese market.
Before all the restrictions, China made up a huge chunk of NVIDIA's data center revenue.
And a slice that big, yeah, you can see just how crucial that market really was.
So the US starts restricting sales, and NVIDIA basically had to chase a moving target.
But then, things took a sharp turn. The whole strategy seemed to flip on its head.
The result was total policy whiplash. You can imagine companies like NVIDIA were just scrambling.
This all led to a brand new policy, and some are calling it taxable dependency.
So the deal for NVIDIA's H200 chip, it came with some pretty heavy strings attached.
But this new White House plan, it kicked off an immediate fight with Congress.
Experts are calling this strategic incoherence. Basically, U.S. policy is at war with itself.
So lawmakers are now trying to shut down every possible loophole, from hardware to the cloud.
And all this back and forth, well, it's having some major real-world consequences.
Ironically, the pressure is actually boosting the exact competitors the policy wanted to stop.
Yeah, Chinese companies are now forced to buy local, not because they want to, but because they have to.
Wong's warning? This could split the whole AI world in two, which he calls a horrible outcome.
So you have to ask, is the US actually speeding up the very thing it's trying to prevent?